What is ChatGPT? Understanding its core functionality. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text. Using deep learning algorithms and natural language processing, NLP, it processes vast amounts of data to provide contextually relevant responses. How ChatGPT is trained to understand language. The training of ChatGPT involves exposure to extensive datasets that help the model learn sentence structures, word patterns, and contextual relationships. This process includes pre-training, where the model learns general language patterns, and fine-tuning, which tailors it to specific tasks. How tokens and neural networks power ChatGPT. Tokens, which are basic units of language, allow ChatGPT to break down and interpret input efficiently. The model's neural network architecture, especially the transformer design, processes these tokens and enables complex language understanding and conversation management. Transformers and attention mechanisms in ChatGPT. ChatGPT uses transformer technology to handle and analyze language. The attention mechanism allows the model to focus on relevant parts of a conversation, helping it generate responses that maintain context and relevance. Limitations and challenges of ChatGPT. Despite its advancements, ChatGPT faces limitations such as struggles with ambiguous queries, complex topics, and inherent biases. OpenAI works to mitigate these issues, but challenges remain, especially with specialized or highly technical language. Real-world applications of ChatGPT in various industries. ChatGPT is used in customer service, content creation, education, and other industries. Its ability to understand language and generate human-like responses makes it an ideal tool for improving customer experiences, providing learning assistance, and generating written content. Ensuring the accuracy and safety of ChatGPT responses. OpenAI ensures that ChatGPT remains reliable and safe by regularly updating the model, fine-tuning its outputs, and employing safeguards to prevent harmful or biased responses. The future of ChatGPT, advancements and potential. As AI technology continues to evolve, ChatGPT's capabilities will expand. Future improvements will enhance its accuracy, contextual understanding, and ability to handle even more complex tasks, making it an increasingly powerful tool for human-computer interactions.